Why, folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. If this is your first time here, you should know that this is the YouTube channel where you will find new and innovative ways to do things in the kitchen. So have a look around and consider subscribing. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber, you probably have noticed that this is the third kitchen that I have been recording YouTube videos from. Well, I finally finished remodeling it, and I thought I would share with you some of the unique and interesting features that I've incorporated into the remodel. And keep in mind that my kitchen is designed for function, not for show. Let's get started. This is what the kitchen looked like the day I bought the house. And this is what it looks like now. The first thing you will probably notice is that some of the cabinet doors are missing and that the counter has been extended. As I indicated before, I designed this kitchen for function, so I extended the counter to accommodate a large garbage can that can easily be hidden away. One of the money-saving features I included in my remodel is a pull-out basket that holds bar mops. Basically, bar mops are 100% cotton washable kitchen towels that I use for absolutely everything. I can't even begin to estimate the amount of money I have saved on paper towels. I installed a nice quiet vent fan at the end of the counter, just above the part where I use my electric frying pan and Instant Pot. This fan can also be used to help ventilate the kitchen. And by the way, I am using a large dog crate floor pad that's completely washable to protect my countertop. During the remodel, I installed a nice wide stainless steel sink that's 10 inches deep, and I also included an air switch for the garbage disposal. I also installed a nice bright LED light just above the kitchen sink. Next is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. It's a magnetic knife holder. This keeps the big block off of your counter, giving you extra counter space. If you have a ceramic knife that's not magnetic, you can fill up a mason jar or any kind of jar with rice and keep it right on the kitchen counter along with your scissors. So let's check out these cabinets. First, I remove the doors, and then I use lag bolts to secure the cabinets to the wall to accommodate the extra weight. Then I measured my pans and plates so that I could equally divide up the shelving. The idea here is that you can unload the dishwasher without having to move across the kitchen to put anything away. I noticed that most of the time when I used a large cutting board, I only used a small portion of it to cut a tomato for a sandwich, for example. So I decided to buy some flexible cutting boards that I could cut down and make them fit in the dishwasher and right here on the shelf. Since my daughter and 3 grandchildren live with me, we always seem to be running out of silverware, so I bought extra silverware and keep it stored cafeteria style right here on the countertop, which makes unloading the dishwasher very easy. I like to keep a bunch of spices on hand, and before, they were all crammed into a cabinet, making it a pain to find what I needed. So I built this storage rack to keep them organized. Now let's check out this countertop. When I first moved into the house, the countertops were in great shape. So instead of replacing them entirely, I decided to make them bigger by adding butcher block from Home Depot. Here's how it looked before and now with a new coat of food-grade mineral oil. The oil seeps into the wood, guarding it against stains and water. And this is what it looks like after the wood has absorbed the oil. And by the way, this entire kitchen remodel project cost me about $5,000, including the flooring, and that's because I did all the work. Well, there you go, folks, a tour of my newly remodeled kitchen. I would love to hear what you think about it in the comment section, and if you leave a family-friendly comment, then I personally will respond, usually within 48 hours. Thanks for watching.